So stunning. Aerokit Porsche 911 Python green, non-metallic, Porsche Center Borås, and it has, as you can see, Aerokit. In black you can space the color, and apparently it's quite hard to get Aerokit nowadays because some delay with production. Maybe we have another same color over there, and the Aerokit wing is fixed, so it's not as on the turbo mechanical. That is 100% fixed, and yeah, it looks stunning, I would say. And if I could wish, I could take maybe a turbo in this color. That would be pretty brave. This is sure is an eye catcher. I wonder if you get noticed in this car. Maybe. And it has the logo, the classic 911 logo, and it actually has the Porsche exclusive lights as well. And this is in 8K as always on YouTube. And let's check it out inside. Fairly conservative interior. Love the mechanical rev limiter, or rev counter actually. I'm looking at the key fob to the right. I'm not used to Porsche. Stunning 911. Just put everything in sport and have a go. Sport Plus. It's no Aerokit on the graphic. That's a little disappointing. But what a nice Porsche. And you can see the grandfather over there actually. Somewhat smaller. A little bit more conservative color. .718 has the same color. But Alcantara steering wheel, or Race Tech, I believe the new name is. Let's see how it looks with the lights on from outside. We have lights on. Might even look even better. Yeah, like the four LED, quadruple LED. kind of satisfying with the red lights and the red calipers kind of matching. Now I see the color matching. I didn't notice that before when the lights were off. Is it lizard, python or snake green? Mix them up. Something with snake. Something with a long animal. So there is no need for open the hood or the engine hood on the Porsche anymore, because you can just fill in water and oil. And there is something very satisfying with the rear lights of the 992. However, if I would choose, I would definitely go for a turbo, but it's 100,000 euros more, of course. And 1970 style 911 emblem. And the Aerokit is completely black, a complementing black roof as well. So the upper and lower part is black on the Aerokit for the 911. I mean, if you haven't driven a sports car and jump into this one, you'll be happy to drive this one, I'm quite sure. Lizard green. 8K on PC on YouTube. And earlier we had the gentian blue here. That was also stunning. Gentian blue 992 turbo. So I should stop talking while filming. I noticed that now. I realized that now. So let's kill. Lock it. And light goes on when you unlock it. Maybe not. And have a look at the old grandfather. A regular 911. What's the mileage? 110,000 kilometers. Not bad. So that's all for the Porsche with Aerokit Lizard Green, I think, at Porsche Center Borås.